In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the AI assistant in Acrobat for a PDF opened in Chrome. To begin, open the PDF you want to work with inside Chrome's Acrobat portal. Make sure the document is fully loaded before you continue so the interface responds smoothly and the assistant can properly access the content of the file. If the PDF is still rendering or loading page previews, just give it a moment. Starting with a fully open document helps avoid unnecessary delays once you begin asking questions. Once the PDF is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the web interface. This is where you'll find the tools related to document actions and smart features. Take a second to visually scan that area so you can confidently identify the correct option. Since interface layouts can sometimes vary slightly depending on screen size or browser zoom level, it helps to keep the window expanded and uncluttered. In that upper right section, click the colorful AI Assistant prompt icon. This is the feature that allows you to interact with the document in a more conversational way. After selecting it, the Assistant panel should open so you can begin using AI-powered help with your PDF. If you don't see the panel right away, pause briefly and allow the tool to load. The next thing you may see is a set of user terms along with notices about generative data use. Read through these and agree to continue. This step is important because the assistant won't activate until those acknowledgements are accepted. It also gives you context for how the feature works and what to expect while using it. If this is your first time accessing the tool, this part is completely normal. After that, move to the text entry prompt box and type your question directly into it. Be as clear and specific as possible so the assistant can give you a more useful response. For example, instead of entering something vague, try phrasing your request around a particular section, summary, explanation, or detail from the PDF. Clear prompts usually lead to better results and save time. Once your question is entered, you're ready to interact with the document through the AI assistant. From there, you can continue refining your questions based on the answers you receive. That's all it takes to get started using Acrobat's AI assistant in Chrome with your PDF.